Ready to ditch the endless customer service chaos and unlock the power of automated conversations? Let's dive into Wati's Flow Builder and craft a WhatsApp chatbot that handles everything from answering fax to generating leads. First, log into your Wati account and navigate to the Flow Builder section. Click on Create New Flow to start building your chatbot from scratch. Give your flow a descriptive name, something like Welcome and Support Bot, to easily identify its purpose later. You'll see a visual canvas. Every chatbot starts with a start node. This is where your chatbot begins its journey with the user. Now, let's add our first action. Drag and drop a send message node onto the canvas and connect it to the start node. This node will send an automated welcome message to anyone who initiates a conversation. Within the send message node, type your welcome message. Make it friendly and informative, guiding the user on how the chatbot can assist them. Something like, "Hi there. Welcome to our support. How can I help you today?" Now, let's allow users to respond. Drag and drop a receive input node and connect it to the send message node. This node captures what the user types. Configure the receive input node to specify the type of input you expect, such as text or number. You can also assign the user's response to a variable, like user_query. For later use, this allows you to personalize the conversation based on what the user inputs. Let's use a condition node to make the chatbot smarter. Drag and drop the condition node and connect it to the receive input node. This is where you set rules, like if the user_query contains pricing, then send a specific message. In the condition node, define your conditions based on the variable you assigned earlier. For example, if the user_query contains the word pricing, you can route the user to a message node that provides pricing information. Connect different send message nodes to the condition node based on the different possible conditions. This allows the chatbot to respond with the appropriate information based on the user's input. Once you're happy with your flow, click Save to save your progress, and then click Publish to activate your chatbot. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chatbot is now live and ready to automate your conversations, provide instant support, and generate valuable leads. Experiment with different nodes and conditions to create even more sophisticated and engaging chatbot experiences.